Welcome to the next era of machinery. We're about to explore advanced technology that merges unmatched power with flawless precision. Are you excited to discover the future of innovation? Let's kick off this adventure. Wow, just look at the size of this cedar. Even though it's hollowed out, it still put up a serious fight. Trees like this are rare, and bringing it down was an accomplishment on its own.
That was awesome. Woo-wee. Go stand on the stump, Daniel.
Let's step into the wood workshop with a stationary ES 1400 log band saw, cutting trunks up to 1.5 meters in diameter and 20 meters long. The workshop processes up to 150 cubic meters of timber daily, an impressive feat of efficiency. Powered by a robust 190 kilowatts engine, the Komatsu PC200LL seamlessly integrates with a Forest Pro telescoping delimber, efficiently handling trees up to 14 meters long. This combination significantly boosts productivity in large-scale logging and land clearing operations. The Vomit 911 excels in tough terrain with its tracked undercarriage, handling trees up to 31.5 inches in diameter. Paired with a CR18 crane and SP561 LF head, it processes up to 40 trees per hour with smooth, efficient operation. With 35 tons of cutting force, the Bilderberg wood splitter effortlessly handles logs up to 14 feet long and 30 inches in diameter, ensuring reliable and efficient performance for large-scale timber operations in challenging conditions. If you're looking for a powerful wood chipper, the Diamat 2000 is an excellent choice. With 790 horsepower, a 48.4-inch feeding width, and the ability to process up to 120 cubic meters of wood per hour, It excels in chopping quality and off-road performance. The LRS log handler blends advanced design with proven reliability, featuring a 30-ton load capacity and an impressive telescopic boom that extends up to 8.5 meters, offering excellent reach and stacking height for efficient timber handling. Although many companies rely on modern industrial machines for their woodcutting production lines, that's not always necessary. This homemade machine, with a 600mm saw blade, handles logs up to 2 meters in diameter, producing precise planks and custom-sized products efficiently. The Mighty Might W100 sawmill is powered by a reliable Kubota diesel engine and features a 30-inch circular saw blade. It can handle logs up to 14 inches in diameter and offers hydraulic power feed, taper cut capability, and easy log handling for efficient, high-quality cutting. The Valtra forestry tractor, boasting 170 horsepower, is designed to thrive in harsh, wet conditions. Despite its weathered appearance, its powerful engine and rugged design enable it to haul impressive timber loads of up to 65 tons through challenging terrain. This is the RT34, a powerful rotating saw attachment for skid steer machines, featuring a 150 horsepower engine and a 36-inch cutting blade. It efficiently cuts trees, trims branches, and clears invasive species, while its sharp blade commands caution due to its power. The ASID Machina 3-bark log peeling machine system is a game changer, replacing the work of 10 workers with its powerful 10-blade peeling knife. It processes up to 50,000 trees annually, delivering unmatched efficiency and precision. Powered by a robust 150 horsepower engine, the Stump harvester features a 6-meter hydraulic reach, effortlessly removing tree stumps and roots up to 2 meters deep. Its advanced design boosts productivity, making land clearing and fostering new growth more efficient than ever. The Growy GSW-40F wood splitter offers 40 tons of splitting power, handling logs up to 24 inches in diameter. It processes 20 cubic meters per hour, making it perfect for large-scale, high-performance wood splitting. This is Summit Attachment's latest innovation, offering a 10-ton pulling capacity that enhances performance and durability in even the toughest forestry environments. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for future updates. Stay curious and we'll see you next time.